A new medical facility has opened here in Columbia, and it's aimed at providing women's health services to underserved communities. Nate Stanley has those details.
A crowd gathered on Gervais Street Friday to celebrate the opening of Eau Claire Cooperative Health Center's brand new Waverly Women's Health Facility. According to Petra Cruz at Cooperative Health, the center hopes to provide cost-effective services for families of all income levels.
We provide services, the full spectrum for women's health. So that does include OBGYN, so obstetrics and gynecology. And we also provide a sliding fee scale for our patients.
The building sits on the corner of Gervais and Pine on the edge of Columbia's historic Waverly neighborhood. Reverend Frank Houston is the president of Historic Waverly. He says the community has centuries-old connections to the medical field.
Early 1900s, the late 1800s, when the medical community did begin to form.
He says black doctors opened hospitals in the Waverly neighborhood, including Good Samaritan Hospital and a black nursing and training school during a time when black residents didn't have many health care options.
There's such a rich history of doctors in this community. So many of the homes where doctors used to live still are in the community. Their homes are still in the community.
Down the street from the new medical facility lives James Baker, who has been a part of the community since he was born at Good Samaritan Hospital 81 years ago.
We had a very homogeneous neighborhood. All walks of life. Once the original homeowners died out, moved out, we had a very declining period in Waverly.
Baker says over the decades, Waverly began to lose its charm when abandoned buildings and crime plagued the neighborhood. But investments into the community like the new health center make him optimistic that Waverly's rich history will have a strong legacy.
So this just continues the legacy of health care that Waverly has been known for.
In Columbia, Nate Stanley, News 19, WLTX.
Well, Cooperative Health telling us that the center has already started welcoming patients and providing care.